You ever wonder how brown skin girls get that glow? Well, let me introduce you to Glow Mellanin. Glow Mellanin is a Black-owned, all-natural skincare line. They sent me over this beautiful PR box, and I thought we could open it together. They sent us the Tumeric Brightening Soap, which has vitamin C, oat, and alpha-arbutin. Their products help with dark spots and hyperpigmentation. They also included their Tumeric Dark Spot Removal Scrub, and this one gently exfoliates, soothes, and calms your skin, nourishes it, and brightens it. Lastly, we got the Dark Spot Magic Eraser. So if you like using all-natural products in your skincare routine, make sure you check out Glow Mellanin.